Hey guys, so in my last video where I showed a truck bed tent for my Ford Maverick, I said it was the cheapest I found, but actually I think I just found something that's way cheaper and really easy to set up. May not be as nice and roomy, but it's a pretty good value tent if all you want to do is sleep in the back of your pickup bed. So I've been working on my truck bed camper with my built-in drawers and fold-out stuff, but I'm going to remove all that just so I can show you guys this new tent. All right, so now that all the boxes gone, I can show you this tent, this Wakeman tent, and it's a really inexpensive tent. I think I got it for $20 or $25 from Amazon. But the key is that it's small enough to fit the bed, and it enters from the narrow side. Let me show it to you. So there's the way it looks. Let's take a look around. All right, there's a little rain fly that goes on the top, but I'm not going to put it on for right now. But you get the idea. It's a real cheap truck bed tent. Now there you have it. Now this is the cheapest Maverick truck bed tent.